Naomi. Pero pinakalas ng Gary ang sound.
Ano naman?
Masakang.
Abay, dali abay.
Buang gugol kita.
Angod, unsa man naman nun? Unsa man na?
Our host for today, Mr. Sharpie.
Alright, so hi everyone, good morning guys, hi. So did you see our group of pigeons? Did you know that the pigeons were used as a messenger to carry out messages to our friends, families, and loved ones? Now ladies and gentlemen, relax and enjoy, because our flying feathered friends are going to show us amazing tricks, awesome stunts, guest participation, important environmental message. And of course, we are more on education, conservation, and entertainment. So now, the question is, are you ready to be amazed with our flying feathered friends? Alright, so to start with, let me call my partner here in stage, Mr. Ian. And to welcome our blue and gold makoning, Amigo. Hi, Amigo. Alright, so now Amigo originated from South America and he inhabited in the rainforest of Brazil. And by the way, Amigo is a very responsible bird and he loves to see his environment clean. Now let's see what Amigo will do. Okay, good bird. Now for the second one, buddy. You pick up the Coca-Cola can, walk all the way, open the bin and drop it inside. Now, last one. Okay, good bird, open up and drop it inside. Now see if the bird can do, why can't we, right? It's a very adaptive bird. So whatever environment they are in, it becomes quite normal for them. And if they are surrounded with many people, they will accept many people. And their diet, they love to eat varieties of seeds, fruits. So in fact, we have a total of 370 species of parrots around the world. And of course, macaws are the largest. Okay, well, I guess they're going back home to get their food. So a round of applause for flying macaws. Now, ladies and gentlemen, for our next bird is a very special, intelligent, and of course, a handsome bird. A group of Sancuneers by his friends. So as you can see, our birds are free to fly because we don't sleep their wings. So the birds engage in their natural habitat to exercise their natural behavior. Okay. So same as the other birds, they love to eat varieties of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. You now take your seat. Alright. Now for the bird on as much as 650 flowers each day. Okay, thank you, buddy. Alright, wing makoning jumbo. So this time, buddy, I want you to wave at them. Can you wave back? Hi. Good bird. Okay, one more. Wave at them. Alright. So macaws have a very long tail and feathers.
Ang gito mo lang gabon, dito ang raman to karon. Ano naman, nagkakalusog naman. Oh, mental block na to. Oh, wow.
Easy done, everyone. Come on, buddy. Striker. Good bird. For the protection of the large and sharp talons of the bird. So, by the way, Philippine Hawk Eagle is under the red list of IUCN or International Union for Conservation. Now, a round of applause for both Hawk Eagle hunters. Alright, so from the medium size of birds, let's move together with Marina. And of course, our other bird trainers. To our Southman up there, Mr. Ricky, to our volunteer staff. And last but not least, our professional.
From Cebu Safari, Cebu, orangutan.
lions are bred and captive in France, but they are originally from South Africa.
Pilaw na sila gabi.
Mata pa na sila, ana. Panglitan, mga first comers mo mga rin, magsige pa na sila lakaw-lakaw. Kasagaran ng aron og to, ganahan man sila init. Sige.
Ito, maputi sa ito. Mura ko white lion. Okay, bro. Good night, bro. Sweet dreams. Go, say camel.
Yes ma'am, okay ra ma'am.
Sa asa man itong akong gikuan ng ginihawa man yata kung 50.
Ikaw flamingo rin gapon eh.
Ako na video.
Wow. Lab. Ma. Okay na ko. Okay na ko.
Ganahan ta sa cellphone. Ay, butang yung sunflower ang cellphone. Ganahan kayo siya cellphone. Ito i-search ang...
Wait.
Hi, smile.
Hi. Gusto nyo kayo ka sa kong
2, 3,
cellphone?
smile.
Gusto nyo kayo sa kong cellphone?
Ay, kayo.
Iyo. Wala, nasa dress. Patay.
Back, kare.
Uy, dyan sa cellphone. Uy, dako na nakamuti mo pa.
Ihatag na yung miles pa. Total na lapit si mo phone.
Bukit na gina ko ulo. Pila nakabuk na. Nanginguto na.
Balik lab.
Okay, so the right side we have the zebras. So they're black covered with white stripes animals and can sleep in a standing position just like horses as they belong to the family of horses. So if us humans, we have our own unique fingerprints, and so as the zebras, they have their own unique stripes and patterns that differentiate one another. And they also use their stripes so that's all they confuse their predators and also recognize. Okay, so in here we have the bitter kudu. So the famous horns, so those with the horns, they're the female bitter kudu. So you can determine the age of maturity of them by the twist of their horns. So their horns twist only once in 2 years. And they also have the ability to become motionless whenever there's a predator. So they can easily blend in with the colors of trees and leaves because of their skin color and the white stripes on their body. So again, they are called greater kudu.
Hi.
Okay, so those brown antelopes with outward horns, so they are called eland. So they're the world's largest antelope, and the male eland has thicker horns compared to the female. So a female can produce up to 6 liters of milk and is renamed for the success that cows. Okay, so right here, the grayish ones with spiky hair, so they're called waterbacks. So as stated, they have the closest relationship with the water. So whenever there's a predator, they sink into the body of water and produce a foul or stinking smell to divert the attention of the predator and choose another prey. So that is their defense mechanism. So the older they get, the stinkier they get. Gemsbok or oryx gazelle. So an oryx gazelle can survive up to 1 year without drinking any water, and they can rely on the moisture of the plants and grasses that they eat. So their horns can reach up to 33 inches, and they're the national animal of Qatar and the logo of the Qatar Airways. Again, they're called Gemsbok or oryx gazelle. Okay, so the other grayish antelope with bended horns, so they're called wildebeest. So they're one of the largest antelopes, and the male wildebeest has thicker horns compared to the female. So a female, once a year, they migrate into new places in search of fresh grasses, millions of them, and that is called the Great Migration. And if you're familiar with the movie Lion King, they're the one who accidentally killed King Mufasa. This is their natural sunscreen under the blazing heat of the sun. So they can run up to 70 kilometers per hour, so they're also one of the fastest antelopes in the world. Okay, so lastly, those easily be distinguished from others because of the stripes and patches on their faces. So they can run up to 40 miles per hour.
Sarap ng buhay, pa swimming lang. Roar. Nakasimot, nakadungog ko. Nagpat ko.
1, 2, 3. Smile.
Ah, dito di ay doon sa after. Dito ay. Dito tan.
Ano talaga sa akin?
Picture.
Siguro.
It's alright.
Ay, naman sila sa troop.
Gay, kung tubig mo.
Anak, dahon. Ay, box give siya. Wala na, doon sila sa kano.
Ah, butangan na din nagtubong.
Kanto ka pa picture sa gawas, boss?
Ako tanglook ka.
Yay!
Hindi na mo magkuha.
Big, ano big?
Wala, ay wala ko sa Discord. Pero ganahan dyan ko ng pine tree.